I am not as calm as I look. People come here and call me peaceful, as if that word explains me, but silence was not my nature. It became my habit, because over time I learned something important. If I showed everything I remember, no one would stay long enough to look at me again. So tell me, when you see me still like this, do you think I am resting or hiding something you were never meant to notice? I am Lake Balaton, and most people meet me like I am simple. A wide surface, soft wind, boats drifting without hurry. They arrive with their thoughts already made up about me. A place to escape, a place to slow down, a place to forget. And I let them believe it, because it is easier that way. But what they do not realize is that I remember every moment they bring to me, not as stories, but as traces. They think I exist for summer, for sailing, for quiet days that end too quickly, but I existed long before they called me beautiful. I have always been a path for movement, not just across water, but across time. And even now, when the sails glide so easily over me, I feel the weight of everything that once passed through here differently, not loudly, not violently, just constantly, like something I cannot turn off. That is what they never notice. My stillness is not emptiness, it is control, because I do not let things disappear quickly. Every boat that crosses me, every moment that touches my surface, it does not leave. It sinks into me quietly, layer by layer, until I become something heavier than what I appear to be. And still, people call me light. They mistake calm for simplicity. Sometimes the wind changes, and I shift slightly. Not enough for them to notice, but enough for me to remember, because I am not the same every day. I carry every version of myself that has ever existed. Every season, every silence, every passing presence that thought it was temporary. And yet, nothing here is ever temporary to me. It only feels that way from above. If you could see what I hold beneath this surface, you would understand why I never fully rest. I am not empty space filled with water. I am memory that moves without sound. That is why I reflect so much. I cannot let anything disappear without first becoming part of me. So when you look at me, you are not just seeing today. You are seeing everything I have learned to keep quiet. And I will still be here after you leave, just as I was here before you arrived, still reflecting, still holding, still remembering what others forget too quickly. So the next time you see me calm like this, ask yourself something simple. Am I peaceful? Or am I only pretending not to remember everything at once?